Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Growing up in Montreal, my family loved going to La Fleur restaurants. It was, and it still is, a fast food chain. Their menu is pretty simple. Hot dogs, burgers, corn dogs, fries, poutines, pops, and water. That's all. There's one item from the menu that I made for David, and it became one of his favorites. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Michigan hot dogs. What? Michigan? It's basically a regular hot dog topped with a beautiful meat sauce, and for garnish, a generous drizzle of yellow mustard and some chopped white onions. It's a tasty finger food. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add the onions along with a pinch of ground sea salt. We'll saute them until translucent, about 2 minutes. To this, we'll add garlic and saute quickly for 1 minute. We'll add ground beef and break it into small pieces. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll cook until the meat is almost done. Next, we'll add ketchup, then brown sugar, followed by prepared yellow mustard, some chili sauce, as well as hot sauce. The brand I'm using is Frank's, Worcestershire sauce, white vinegar, chili powder, mild paprika, and cumin. I love this spice. We'll stir very well until all the ingredients are nicely combined before adding tomato sauce and tomato paste. If you want a great kitchen trick to salvage your leftover tomato paste, click on the top right corner of your screen. Once again, we'll mix to blend. Put the lid on so it doesn't splash all over, but slightly ajar, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low and wait about 10 minutes before removing the lid. At least it won't splatter everywhere, making a big mess. We'll simmer gently for 50 to 60 minutes or until the liquid is evaporated, stirring often, especially towards the end. See, I'm not quite there yet. It needs more time. When it's almost there, we can start simmering the hot dogs. In a shallow skillet on high heat, we'll bring the water to a boil and cover with a splatter screen. When the water is ready, we'll place the hot dogs on, cover with a lid, and steam them for 5 to 6 minutes, rotating a quarter turn every so often. Another way of doing it is to use a steam basket. When they're ready, we'll place the dogs in warm buns, spoon on a generous amount of the meat mixture, drizzle on some mustard, and garnish with chopped white onions. And my friends, these are our Michigan hot dogs. If you like chili dogs, you might like these even better. The flavor of the meat topping is absolutely delicious. So the next time you're thinking about having hot dogs, do yourself a favor and try these instead. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!